see something strange. Come with us and you will see.
Working in the lab late one night, when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
he did the mash.
He did the...
If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits, putting on the Ritz. Different types who wear a day coat pants.
Dear Great Pumpkin, I'm looking forward to your arrival on Halloween night. I hope you will bring me lots of presents.
Then cupped his hands so proudly to shout, la-di-da-di-da-di-dum, 'tis autumn.
With the snare and the bass, square in the face, this fucking world better prepare to get laced, because they're gonna taste my...
Fine. I'll do it myself.
I got that adrenaline.
Go. Stop. Looks cozy.
Go. And stop.
California sweet vanilla.
Ooh.
Go. Stop.
Falling leaves.
Oh, I was trying to get date night.
Go. Stop. Oh yeah.
Go. Stop.
Sparkling cider.
Perfect.
Finally started my fall decoration haul. This is all from Dollar Tree. I'm obsessed with these pumpkins. This is really cute though. Like for part 2. Fall haul.
Disposable diamonds looking invisible. If you see the homies with the guap, with the knots in the rows, that's how I know you niggas really bro, with no goals. And it's
Back at a different Target to find pumpkin flavored things. So I grabbed another cart. Alright, found a pumpkin spice creamer. They have non-dairy, so I think I gotta try it. Pumpkin cookie dough already. Gotta get this since it's edible. Kodiak has pumpkin flax power cakes. Definitely getting these. They have pumpkin spice Cheerios. I'm not gonna get these though. Pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts are back. Score! There's also Special K pumpkin spice cereal. I showed this last time, but this granola is cool. Okay, pumpkin spice hot cocoa mix. And Swiss Miss too. Alright, I have to get it. More pumpkin spice cereal. Cold brew for the creamer. Alright, so that's everything I got, plus more. Now, it was a success. Welcome back to my review where I try the pumpkin items at Starbucks. First, I'll be trying the pumpkin scone. I had this last year and it's really good, so let's see if it's good again. Here's the middle of it. I give this an 8 out of 10. I like the pumpkin flavor, but it's a little dry. Next, I'm trying the pumpkin muffin. I also had this one last year, but let's try it again too. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's a lot more moist than the scone, and I love the cream cheese. It's also way better than Dunkin's muffin.
Take away your things and go. Can't take back what you said. Oh no.